Fuck it, let's teach algebra. Alright, so, al algebra. Alright, algebra. Let's type it over here so we know what we're teaching, eh? Algebra. So algebra, it's pretty hard, you know. Like some people do, like x plus y equals, yeah. But you know what? We're not all about that on the scientific channel. We're gonna teach a simplified version of algebra. Basically, so the difference between algebra and fucking normal math is not only is it completely useless and is not needed at all, you know, but it's also easy because it's math, but with text, but with what are they called? Letters, yeah, but with letters instead of numbers. So, for example, like, let's make it a bit bigger so you all blind fucks can actually see what I'm typing. For example, instead of doing 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, that's normal math, but we're talking algebra, so we gotta do like 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. See, that's easy. Or you maybe even want it, so it's like Tuhuri plus Four equals 7. But instead you gotta do it the way, like, Tuhuri plus Four equals 7. It's as easy as that, That's how you do it. That's how Algebra. Almost that almost that almost sounds like a thing terrorists say. We can't have that in the scientific channel. Um, all right, sure, whatever. That's algebra for you. Um, so this is a method that a lot of schools, some honorable mentions like Yale and Harvard like to use. It's an amazing tool for maths, and I really do think that more schools should be using this version. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I know where you live, so you better subscribe.